Hello everyone. For this Pencast assignment, I'm going to be doing question number 28 from homework number 3. And I'm going to read the problem out loud now. A flute player hears 4 beats per second when she compares her note to a 523 Hz tuning fork, the note C. She can match the frequency of the tuning fork by pulling the quote-unquote tuning joint to lengthen her flute slightly. What was her initial frequency? So, with all physics problem, let's identify our givens, our unknowns, and the formula. And the formula that we're going to be using to solve this problem is f sub b is equal to the absolute value f sub 1 minus f sub 2, where f sub 1 is greater than f sub 2. So this formula is going to help us solve this problem. So from the problem, the last sentence of the problem says, what was her initial frequency? And the notation for the initial frequency is f sub 1. So this right here is our unknown, because f sub 1 is the notation for the initial frequency. The notation for initial frequency is f sub 1. So I'm going to read the problem again to see where is our givens. A flute player hears 4 beats per second. That right there, 4 beats per second, that's our f sub beat notation. So f sub beat is equal to 4 hertz. Alright? When she compares her note to a 523 hertz tuning fork, that right there is our f sub 2, because we were looking for f sub 1 and we don't know that, so this must be our f sub 2, 523 hertz. So it looks like I got everything done. I'm going to be plugging and chugging into the formula right here. So f sub b is 4 hertz is equal to absolute value of f sub 1 minus 523 hertz. So with all absolute value equations, we always get 2 answers from there. So therefore we must set up 2 equations. So why does absolute value equations gives us 2 answers? Well, it's because both positive and negative values have a positive absolute values. Solving absolute value equations means finding the solution for both the positive and the negative values. So from this, I have to make 2 equations to get the 2 answers. So our first equation is, with some algebraic rearrangement, f sub 1 is equal to f sub b minus or plus f sub 2. And if I plug in answers, I get 4 hertz plus 523 hertz is equal to 527 hertz. And the other equation, or f sub 2 is equal to f sub 1 minus f sub b, which is equal to 523 hertz minus 4 hertz, which is equal to 519 hertz. So there you go. We got 2 answers. But which one's the correct one? Well, the correct one is 527 hertz. That is the correct answer. But why is that the correct answer? Well, since she lengthens her flute, she is increasing the wavelength of the standing wave in the flute. Because of the formula B equals lambda F, as the wavelength increases, the frequency decreases. So her initial frequency must be 527 hertz. So boom. That is the answer for this problem. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed rehearsing for this problem, and see you soon.